Good afternoon, student of class 10. We already have started the chapter equation of straight line, but that is also can be called equation of line. We already started that to finish the two exercise. We are going to the third exercise, and in that exercise we will calculate the equation. In the first two exercise only we have learned about the slope and the point passed through the line. From this exercise we will learn how to make the equation. What is the standard equation of a straight line? That is y equal to mx plus c, where m is slope, c is y intercept, let's check this. Like there is a coordinate like this, a line passing through that, passing like this. This is touching at a point at x-axis and touching at a point at y-axis. This is y-intercept. This is called C, and that one is x-intercept. And we know that coordinate on x-axis will be x comma 0, and coordinate of a y-axis will be 0 comma y. How to calculate the equation? Like that line is passing through a fixed point xy. Now what is the aim here or slope here? For calculating slope I have to draw a different, like the line is passing like that is touching at 2 point here, and that is touching the point xy. Now you have to calculate this. The angle is theta, so that is also theta. This point is x comma y, that means the distance from here to here is y, and that distance is x. So what is the value of that distance? We know that is y-intercept or c, so that become y minus c, and that is x. So what the aim we got aim equal to y minus c by x. So from here I got y minus c equal to mx, or y equal to mx plus c. In this procedure the equation came. Okay, if the line is passing through a fixed point x1 y1, what will be the equation become? Equation will become y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. You have to remember this equation. Okay, let's check the math from the exercise. First math is very easy. Y-intercept is given, or value of c is given 2, slope is given 3, find the equation. So in math number 1 from exercise 14c, slope or m is given, that is 3, and also c is given. Y-intercept means c, and we know the equation is y equal to mx plus c. So what we got, put the value of m here, so that is 3x plus 2. That is the answer. So that math is very easy. Okay, I am solving math number 5. Let's read the math from the book. Find the equation of line passing through 0, 1, 1, 2. There is 2 point is given, and we know that math 5.1 2 point is given, 0, 1, 1, 2. That means a line which are having 2 points, you have to calculate the equation of that line. We know that how to calculate the aim. There is a formula for that, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here this one is x1, this one is y1, this one is x2, this one is y2. Calculate it. What we got from here? We got 2 minus 1 by 1 minus 0. So that become 1 by 1 equal to 1. So we got the value of m is 1, and we know that if a line passing through a fixed point x1 y1, what is the equation? That y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here y1 is 1, so that become y minus 1, and we calculate the value of m, that is 1, so x minus x1 is 0. So we got y minus 1 equal to x, or y equal to x plus 1. That is the equation of that line. The maths are very easy, you just have to understand those things. Math number 8, check it out. There is a figure given of this math. You have to understand that very carefully. The figure given alongside shows the straight line AB. AB is a straight line, you can see that, and CD intersecting the other point at P at 3. CD is another line which is intersecting that line at P, and the point here is 3, 4. Find the equation of AB and CD. You have to find the equation of AB and CD both. In case of AB line, one point is given 3, 4, that is passing through a point 3, 4, and inclination of theta is given 45 degree. From that I can calculate m equal to tan theta, that means tan 45 degree. So I got the value of m, and if I assume that is x1, that is y1, and we know that any line passing through a fixed point, the equation of that line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y1 is here 4, m I got the value 1, x is here x, and x1 is 3. So what I got, y minus 4 equal to x minus 3. So I got y minus x equal to minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. So y minus x minus 1 equal to 0. That is the equation of AB line. Similarly, CD line, you can calculate that, try it. One more math I am solving, that is math number 12. Read the math carefully from the book. There is a triangle ABC is there. Coordinate of vertices ABC are also given. Find the equation of median through vertex A. Okay, that means ABC is a triangle. Draw the triangle ABC. It's a triangle where coordinate of A is 4, 7, coordinate of B is minus 2, 3, coordinate of C is 0, 1. From vertex A there is a median drawn, and you know that what is the meaning of median? That divide the line into two equal part. If I give a name, that is D, you have to calculate the equation of that line. For that you have to calculate the coordinate of that. If midpoint is there, and you know the formula, if there is a midpoint of a line and you know the coordinate, how to calculate that? X equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, that means minus 2 plus 0 by 2. So that become minus 1. Similarly, y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2, minus plus 3 plus 1 by 2, that means that is 2. So we got the coordinate of D, that is minus 1, 2. Now we know that that is -1, that is 2, and that is 4, 7. So what is the m, slope of that line. We know the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now y2 is here, I am assuming that is x1 y1 and that is x2 y2. Okay, so y2 minus y1, that means 2 minus 7 by x2 minus x1, that means minus 1 minus 4. So that become minus 5 by minus 5 equal to 1. So we got m equal to 1. Now we know if a line passing through a point, the equation become y minus y1 equal to x minus m into x minus x1. And here y1 is 7, m is 1, x and x1 is 4. So the equation become y minus 7 equal to x minus 4. So y minus x minus 7 plus 4 equal to 0, or y minus x plus minus 3 equal to 0. In this way you have to calculate the equation. If you have any problem regarding this lesson, you can ask me the question.